mention basically the three areas why this kind of model doesn't work very good, at least on a big scale. So if you're with some company like Symantec, which has, I think, 18,000 employees now, it's too much of an administrative burden to actually deal with a lot of broken machines, because there's just too many machines to handle. And so I want to kind of consider if it's like a large company, just kind of imagine that the problems that the administrator would face. So the first problem is that if you have thousands of computers, how do you handle keeping all of the computers up to date? So right now they would use something like the Active Directory, and they would be able to push updates down to each of the workstations. But now, if that computer is broken, there isn't really much they can do except go to configure the computer directly. Another point, obviously, is that you need to have a lot of software installed on each computer in order to keep everything functioning. So, for example, each workstation will need antivirus, because there's no way right now to, for example, from the outside to check the security of each of those workstations. So, for example, you might need some Google update to keep the Google software updated. You might need the Adobe updater to keep your Adobe